ஹாய் எவ்ரிவான், அனைவருக்கும் இனிய வணக்கங்கள். ஓம் சாய்ராம். டுடே Thursday, Sai Baba's special day. Every Thursday I am sharing few things about Shirdi Sai Baba. Today also I am going to share few informations, few divine thoughts with you about Sai Baba. What is new in the world? Nothing. What is old in the world? Nothing. Everything has always been and will always be. Shirdi Sai Baba. Sai Baba of Shirdi, also known as Shirdi Sai Baba. We all Indians worship him. We all love him. Not only in India, so many other parts of the universe are also the strong believer of Sai Baba. Sai Baba preached us so many things for our better life. Sai Baba always stressed the importance of surrender to the true Sadguru, and who, having trod the path to divine consciousness, will lead the disciple through the jungle of spiritual training. Sai Baba is worshipped by people around the world, as I told you. He has no love for perishable things, and his sole concern was self-realization of the self. He taught a moral code of love, forgiveness, helping others, charity, contentment, inner peace, and so on. He gave no distinction based on religion or caste. Sai Baba's teaching combined elements of Hinduism and Islam. He gave the Hindu name Dwaraka Mai to the mosque in which he lived, and practiced Muslim rituals, taught using the words and figures that drew from both traditions, and was buried in Shirdi. One of his well-known epigram, Sabka Malik Ek, one God governs all. Here, few golden words of Sai Baba that I love to share with you all. If you are wealthy, be humble. Plants bend when they bear fruit. Spend money in charity. Be generous and beneficent, but not extravagant. Whatever creatures comes to you, human or otherwise, treat it with consideration. See the divine in the human being. There is a wall of separation between oneself and others, and between you and me. Destroy the wall. I get angry with none. Will a mother get angry with her children? Will the ocean send back the waters to the several rivers? No. What is our duty? To behave properly? That's enough. God is not so far away. He is not in the heavens above, nor in hell below. He is always near you. If you cannot endure abuse from others, just say a simple word or two, or else live. I stay by the side of whoever repeats my name. Baba said, I stay by the side of whoever repeats my name. Do not obsess by egoism, imagining that you are a cause of action. Everything is due to God. Do not fight with anyone, nor splendor anyone. All gods are one. There is no difference between a Hindu and a Muslim. Mosque and temple are the same. When when you see your inner eye, then you realize that your God are not different from Him. To God, to the price. I am only the slave of God. Choose friends who will stick to you till the end, through thick and thin. These are the golden words preached by Shirdi Sai Baba. We all must have to follow these words in our life. Being Sai Baba's die-hearted devotee, I always believe all these words. I always try to follow what Baba preached us. Live a simple life is a main thought given by Baba. Live simply, love everyone, help everyone. These are the main content, and Baba always asks us to make us to realize ourselves. Self-realization is very important. We have to know what we are doing. Am I doing right or wrong? I have to decide. So, those who are the die-hearted devotees of Sai Baba, we must have to follow these golden words by Baba to live our life peacefully with Baba's blessings. Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram. Thank you so much.